Do you know who you really want to hire for your social media efforts and marketing this year? I mean, do you really know? Do you have this identified? Well, this may be an unpopular opinion, but buckle in, friends. If you're searching for a social media expert and notice a wide range of pricing, have you ever wondered why that is? It really just boils down to their role and expertise, full stop. Now, not all virtual assistants and social media managers are social media strategists. Here is the clear-cut difference. Lean in, friend.
I'm leaning.
A virtual assistant who is social media savvy is your go-to executor who creates content consistently without necessarily having a strategy to follow. They're the keep the lights on professionals. Now, on the other side, there's the social media manager. They're your go-to for implementing a strategy that's already in place. They're skilled at managing your day-to-day social media activities, from content creation and implementation all the way through engagement, outreach, and managing your DMs. On the other hand, there is the social media strategist. They are your master planner. They don't just create content, they create a strategic plan and strategy based on your overarching marketing objectives. They make sure that they are in alignment with where you're wanting to take your business and brand. Now, understanding this distinction is crucial when selecting the best partner for you, because then you understand what level of work to expect. Having this clarity will enable you to make the best decision for yourself and your business going forward. And it helps you determine, what you're getting with each service. Therefore, identifying maybe a particular budget that you want to stay within. In our agency at OSNAP Social, we pride ourselves in providing comprehensive pulse check audits, sustainable social media strategies, and consulting on that creation. If you have any questions on what professional fits best with your goals and objectives this year, feel free to ask them below. If you want to take it offline, my inbox is always open. Go ahead and send me an email at hello@osnapsocial.com. I look forward to seeing you through the screen again very soon. Bye for now.